Yes, I'm standing here with Magnus Arveng, the CEO and co-founder of Arveng Technologies, a tech company based in Norway, Trondheim, that makes drone gloves. Magnus Arveng, please tell me more about your glove.
Yeah, well, the Arveng Drone Glove is our latest iteration of the Humi Smart Glove, a glove that can track your motion and feel what you're doing. So we are a tech company residing here at NTNU, and we consist of 16 students, and we've spent the past 2 years making this. So here is the Arveng Drone Glove Beta. And have you ever flown a drone with sticks?
Yeah, it doesn't feel exactly, it's not natural.
It's not natural, so it takes some time getting used to. Yes. And that's what we aim to get rid of. Our Arveng Drone Glove is one proof of concept, and this glove can actually control drones.
Okay, so the COO of Arveng Tech, Moinat Hamuli, just let me try the Arveng Drone Glove for the first time at the very first day of its release. And I have to say it was really responsive and it felt quite natural as well, but the movements, they could be adjusted a bit too.
Yes,
am I right?
Yeah, that's right what you're saying. So what we can do is we calibrate it completely after what's natural for you. And you got a super responsive, kind of scary calibrations for those guys who like to fly fast and rough. And it really depends on what footage you need, right?
So what I noticed is that when your hand or your fingers aren't binded to a controller, to any sticks, you have kind of a possibility to have more dynamic movements. Am I right?
Yeah, that's we work in many different verticals because our vision is all about putting human body language and intuitive motion in controller machines, not having to learn gestures or spend thousands of hours learning a difficult controller mechanism, right? But as for this specific vertical, we're kind of looking into, with this glove, can you get much smoother shooting angles when producing film, and we're working with some film creators on that specific segment, trying to find out if there's a potential there. I personally am quite sure there is. Like, you have super skilled camera runners, and suddenly running a camera in aerial footage becomes kind of a dance, you know. You have to choreograph the perfect motion, so you like fly the camera angles and get these super difficult, awesome angles in your shots.
So I think what everyone is wondering at this point is, what kind of drones can you control with this glove?
Well, we've made it compatible with the latest generation of DJI drones. So all newer DJI drones from the Phantom 3 and newer will be compatible with our Arveng Drone Glove, as well as some Parrot drones and some homemade drones made by Make a Drone, a Norwegian company based in Oslo.